Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate the steps in your browser. So let's open it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you need to remove more advanced browsing data, or this is simply too long to do that manually, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic right here and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last 15 minutes to even all time. So it's up to you. And then simply tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is right now empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.